In this video, I will show you how to make resume on Overleaf. So the first thing you need to do is go to overleaf.com and then make sure that you sign in your account, and then after that you can create a new project by clicking blank project or choose a template. So click on browse templates and then search for resume. And then here you will see a lot of options that you want to choose of what's your style. Then it has a lot of page that you can choose any option. So for example, I will choose this resume style. Click on open as template. And then here you will see the codes, and then you will see the final results here. So to edit this resume, okay, you need to type here in the code. Okay, so for example, I will change the name here. So this, you will see the CV name. So I will type my name here. So for example, Pixel Fix YT. Then click on recompile. Then here I will see it change. And then after that, here, this is another example, the job title. So I will change this. So be careful by changing any text here. Then click on recompile again, and here you will see. And then if you want to edit the date of birth, then go ahead and edit it. So we have a CV date here, a CV address. You can type also your address here like that. And it has a lot that you can edit, like a phone number, visit site, CV email, like that. So this is a description that you will type on your own, and it will appear here. And then it has a lot of text that you can edit here on your resume. And then in this image, you can edit your image here. And we have a file of fonts, and here is the code that you can edit. And then click on download PDF if you finish editing resume, and this is it. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.